You know, Click and Clean does a great job indoors, but you can actually also take it outside. What you see here is that nasty old grout in this outdoor Mexican tile. Watch how easy this is to clean. Watch this. Simply take out the marble cleaner that I just cleaned a few minutes ago inside. Click off the mop attachment. Couldn't get any easier than that. I'm going to go ahead and click on our patented grout brush. Pop in our Grout Deep Cleaner. Now this stuff can clean any grout with any acid, and it does a fantastic job. It's safe to use, safe around pets, safe around plants. Watch this. Simply spray the area. I'm going to let that sit for about maybe 5-10 seconds, and simply take the brush without ever getting my hands and knees and agitate it back and forth. Look at this. Look at how dirty, all that dirt is coming right off instantly. Look at how clean that grout looks right there. I'm going to take the mop base, and I'm going to wipe this up just like this. Look at the difference. That's Rejuvenate, Click and Clean. The power of speed cleaning your home, simple and easy with Rejuvenate.
Rejuvenate.